everybody. With another customer yard that we about to cut for the first time for the 2024 season. Getting everything cleaned up. So a lot of these yards are first cuts. When you do these first cuts, it takes longer because they haven't been serviced. So you're doing the previous year winter cleanup. So this is what we're getting ready to take on now. This is the front yard. We're gonna knock this out. And then I gotta go to another first cut after this one. I'll show y'all the backyard right quick. So this is the backyard. We about to get it done. Just can't stop team. All right. Got the backyard cut. It's time to get to the next yard. All right, we got the front yard completely done. It's the Can't Stop team.
You can't stop. Can't stop in the